Heat is going away, cool air is moving in. Life is good. Looking forward to lower energy bills. Today will be day 3 of my 2-day air conditioner installation. It has been so hot in my house. We have had record high heat temperatures here in Florida. And it's just been sweltering. So my landlady, said, you know what, I think we need central heat and air in your house. So she called a guy, he came, he said, I'll be done by 5 o'clock tomorrow. It's a 2-day job, but didn't get finished yesterday, but that's okay. I have peace knowing that today it's going to be done. And when it gets hot this afternoon, it will be nice and cool in my house. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a piece of me moment. Have a peaceful day.